How's it going? Good. Danny? Bender, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Very nice to meet you.
Yep. What's up, buddy?
How's everything?
Good to see you. Long time.
Very long time. How you doing?
Yeah, good. How about you?
Good.
Yeah, good. Hey, don't even pay attention to this.
Sure.
Okay? It's not even here. Okay, it's fine.
The lower back was definitely probably related to the gym.
Okay.
Maybe had it for about 3 weeks now. But it was, my whole lower back was locked up. Feeling better now, but there's still some little discomfort, bottom right, lower back.
Okay. Ever had an injury like that before?
Before, but my back has locked up maybe a year ago or 2 years ago, but it recovered pretty quickly.
Okay.
A few days and I was back to normal. This time I'm still having a little discomfort. And it was bothering me, and then I went to the gym, and then that kind of made it worse.
All right, have you had any pain that goes down your legs?
Not really a pain, but I felt like a little tingling.
Okay.
This time.
Both sides?
I believe so.
All right. Side of your leg, back of your leg, front of your leg?
Maybe more the back.
Okay. How far down did it go? Did it go down to your feet?
Mm-hmm. Wasn't really a pain, but I felt something weird that I never felt before. But it happened when I hurt my back.
All right. Let's talk about the ankle. You've had an ankle injury?
Yeah, I don't know. I've had this ankle problem for, I don't know, over a year. Maybe close to maybe a year and a half. But it's the right back of the ankle. I've seen a foot doctor before, and my Achilles has been inflamed.
Okay.
And my ankle will crack. Makes a lot of cracking noises all day long.
He's been waking up his neighbors.
All right. So, what did the foot doctor have to say? He just said inflamed Achilles, and
just kind of rested. I went to get better sneakers. Also an insole.
Does it affect? Do either of these affect your workouts now? Have you been in the gym in the past week?
Now in the past week, I stopped because my back was hurting now.
And typically, your ankle doesn't bother you at the gym?
It doesn't, but if I do something with legs, it'll kick up. Like even a lot of walking or running will get it to worsen.
Have you ever been adjusted by a chiropractor?
No.
Never?
No.
These are my favorite adjustments.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I gotta be here. I gotta see this.
All right, stand face me. All right, good. First, just observing posture. Go ahead and march in place for me and just kind of like loosen up a little bit. Yep. Loosen up your head, neck, shoulders. Good. And then just come to a stop there. I'm going to look at your postural sway. Very small micro movements in your posture. You're standing still. Good. A little bit of forward to back there. Close your eyes, which accentuates it. Let your arms relax, shoulders relax. Yep, forward and backward. No lateral deviation. That's good. You can open your eyes now. All right, looking at your feet. I'm going to touch your feet, okay?
Sure. Yep.
Okay, we do have a little bit of a decreased arch there on the right side. Which side is the ankle happening?
This side.
Okay.
Yep.
Your tendons are pretty tight.
Okay.
Let me see you stretch. Can you touch your toes? Good. Let your head relax. All right, looking at your spine here. No rib humping from the left or right, so nice and straight. No curvatures. That's good. Good. Okay, come back up. Yep. You sit at a desk for a living?
Yeah.
Good. Or sit in a car. Which one is it?
I'm mostly on the desk for work.
Okay, just looking at your spine. Nice gentle scan on the top of your spine. There's some stuff up here too. You ever get any neck, shoulder tension?
No, not really.
No headaches ever?
Nope.
Good. Good for you. How often do you work out? How many days a week? When you're healthy?
3 days. 4 days.
Okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Runner?
No, because my ankle. I've stopped because my ankle gets worse every time I run.
Okay. So we need to fix your ankle so you can start running. Let's see here. Do you have any tenderness when I push here, right SI joint?
Not really.
Good. Any tenderness here, left SI joint?
Nope.
Good. Into your lumbar spine. Any tenderness here?
Nope.
Here?
Nope.
Okay. All right, scooch forward just a little bit on the table. Good. And then feet flat and together. All right, now push your knees apart from each other.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now back together. Open. Close. Open. Close. Pretty good movement of both SI joints. The right one's moving fine. This left one is a little bit restricted here. This is good out here, no tenderness?
It's fine. Yep.
Left,
Mhm.
here. Good, I'm gonna push down into this, Danny. Good, any pain, discomfort, tension?
No.
Good, turn to the right here. Good, any pain, discomfort, tension?
No.
No, little pop there though.
Yeah.
Does your low back crack by itself usually? Can you crack it? Do you crack it?
Doesn't really crack. No.
Okay. That's good. Yeah, your low back is it's clammy, it's cold. Everything else up here is smooth, nice and smooth. Good warmth distribution from left to right. It's very symmetrical. There's no excess fluid, but we definitely get down here, and there's something going on
Okay.
with your spine because it's you can just feel it stop, right? Smooth, and then it just like
Yep.
right there it's just wet.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna push down into your hips.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any pain, discomfort, tension when I push here like that?
No.
Here like this?
No.
Okay, when I push into your low back here like this?
Not really. No.
Here.
No.
All right, I'm gonna palpate your coccyx bone, okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's the very bottom of the spine.
Mm-hmm.
So following the sacrum down to the side, here's the first coccyx segment, here's the second, third. Is this tender at all?
No.
This side tender?
No.
Here, tender.
No.
Good. Any pain, tenderness here?
No.
Feeling tension in your spine and your hips?
That seems good.
Good. We're going to come here. Pain, tenderness in your spine, hips?
No. A little tender there, a little sore there.
This is some of the muscle attachments to the top of the hip here.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do some soft tissue on here a little bit later. First I'm going to adjust your spine and then we'll do some soft tissue. Is this tender here, down here?
No.
Nope. What about up here?
No.
Nope. Just here, here, here. Which one more?
The one you
Here.
did the first time.
Here,
Yeah, I guess there. Yep.
here. This one? What if I come a little bit more forward? How about here?
No, it's fine there.
Okay, good. Just relax. Good. Left short goes long. Good.
Back problem, I would lay down and I would feel like almost a big pop on the right side in the hip area.
Yeah.
Only on the right side
Like
when I
down
would lay.
here or up here?
More right there.
Okay.
And if it was in the hip area on the right side, every time I would lay down on a hard floor and just put my feet out, it would
Okay.
make a big popping noise. I
Good.
never had that before.
Okay. Gotta let your shoulders relax. Good, 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 good. Good breathing. Nice gentle breathing. I'm not going to push. I'm not going to do an adjustment until I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll know there won't be any surprises. There you go. Okay, I'm going to move you over just a smidge there.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Go down. Okay, let me do the lifting. I'm going to do this one too. Down.
Mm-hmm.
All right, how'd that feel? Did that feel like it increased or decreased? Any tension?
Yeah, more on the bottom right side.
Increased tension.
Mm-hmm.
Down here, underneath.
So more.
Here.
Just, yeah.
Okay, let's let it sink in for a little bit. some wicked shoulder cracks too. And is that all new? All the cracking is new?
The only cracking that I hear all day is my ankles.
Okay. What part of Jersey are you from?
North Jersey, Bergen County.
Mm-hmm.
I live in Hawthorne now.
Cool. Hawthorne's nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice town.
What about you? You're in PA?
Yep, I live here now.
Mhm.
I was born in Princeton though. I grew
Nice.
up in Hamilton.
Princeton's beautiful.
Yeah, my parents are from like Yardville, Trenton.
Mm-hmm.
I spent a lot of time up in Ridgewood.
Okay,
New Jersey.
Bridge is nice, yeah.
All right, let's come back to this. How's that? Does the pressure? Do you still feel the increased pressure on the right?
No.
All right, good. We balanced your legs too. So when I first looked at your legs, Danny, the right leg was short, but then and it increased the pressure here temporarily. But
Okay.
now your legs are balanced, so you don't really have a short leg. You just have a twist in your hips.
Okay.
I balanced it with the blocks, and then when I adjust your spine, I'm going to adjust in the same direction. So this one's like tilting your hip like this. This one's tilting your hip back like this.
Okay.
That's how I'm going to adjust your spine. Pressure's good there?
Mhm.
How's your sister doing? Good. Amanda doesn't want to be on the video?
She's shy, you know.
This pressure's okay in here, Danny?
Yep.
Yeah, your spine is in pretty good shape. Your
Okay.
sacrum needs to be adjusted for sure just because of that tilt.
Okay.
But your lumbar spine actually moves pretty nicely when I was pushing down on it with my hand. There's motion in all the segments. And there was that little pop there earlier.
Mm-hmm.
So that was just kind of sitting there waiting to happen.
Okay.
But yeah, you have good motion in your lumbar spine. Your sacrum needs a little bit of an adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
And that'll help decrease the pressure on the muscles out here.
Okay.
It seems like the primary source of your pain is muscular.
Okay.
And so even though that's true, even though it's coming from the muscles still attached to bones.
Yep.
And so adjusting the joints, which is where the nerves for that muscle comes out, helps, we could say, facilitate a release or
Okay.
a decrease in tension. But adjusting your SI joint here will decrease the muscle that moves the SI joint, which is the glute.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Do you ever get massage?
No, never.
Never?
No.
Man, I'm gonna
I
get-
can't believe that either.
Yeah.
I swear. I never massaged, never got an adjustment before. I don't know.
It's really like right at that time too. It's like late 20s, early 30s
Mm-hmm.
that you really start to feel your body more, and your self-care, self-preservation routine becomes important.
Mm-hmm.
Tender?
Mm-hmm.
Not too bad. Tender?
No.
Not too bad. This one addresses the muscles. Is it intense or what?
Feels great. It is intense.
What kind of computer work do you do?
Well, I'm in sales.
What do you sell?
Computer work for EarthCam. We do like cameras for construction projects, the time-lapse cameras to document and promote all sorts of construction, from a retail store build out to a stadium or a bridge getting built.
Cool.
All web-based camera technology to help contractors and developers, manage their project.
Cool. So you guys come out
Yep.
and do the video for them, or you
Correct.
sell the video.
Well, it's a camera system. It's connected to the internet,
Okay.
and we provide the services and the software to access the camera remotely.
And then at the end, we have a creative department that puts together a nice time-lapse edited film from all the content.
Who sets up the cameras?
We go out and install it too, or we can. Some contractors like to set the camera up themselves. But it's project management. It's remotely viewing the site, having investors and owners check in, see what's going on.
That's pretty cool. I like that. Bridge building's intense. Have you watched any of those?
Oh,
those
yeah.
videos?
Yep.
When they move the water to dig underneath.
Like dredging and stuff too.
Yeah,
it's
dredging.
crazy. Yep.
It's phenomenal. What person thought that up? That's what I would know.
Dredging, right?
Yeah, what person was like, here's what we need to do.
Yeah.
We're going to move all this water
Yep.
so that we can dig a hole underneath
Yep.
of the river. Go let your back relax. This right here is where you've compensated for the last couple weeks.
Okay.
See how it's like opposite, so it's like this right hip here.
Yep.
And then the way that the tension moves through the spine, the kinetic chain, you're feeling this crossover.
Yeah.
And this part of your thoracic spine is what's compensating and working a little bit harder than usual.
Okay.
For what's happening in the right. Okay, almost there.
Yeah, like right there, I feel like there's something in there.
Yeah. Left or right? Which do you feel more? Or same?
Right now, I think it's a tiny bit on the left more. The left side doesn't hurt me, but.
All right. Let's practice an adjustment first, okay, Danny?
Mm-hmm.
So you can feel what it's like. We're gonna come down to that. We got some other stuff to do first. So you're gonna take a deep breath in and out. Good. Shoulders relaxed and sinking in. Good. Good. Sinking in. Just feeling not adjusting you yet. Just feeling your spine. Let's do this. Let's practice. I'm not going to push yet. So you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose, not through your mouth. I'm going to follow your breath down like this. At the end of your breath, we push like that, okay? Okay. You're doing pretty good. Your back's nice and relaxed. Just try to let it all down. Let it all go. Good. That was better. Good. We'll start here. Sinking shoulder. That was perfect right there. You're ready to get adjusted now. We're going to do one more breath in. Out. Good. Letting it all go. Good.
Oh.
Good job. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good, Danny. Good. Now let's come up to this guy here. Okay, deep breath in and out. Good. Sinking in. Good. Ooh,
That was
deep.
nice. That was deep. That was necessary.
Yeah, that's definitely necessary. Good. Still kind of tender there?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna do one segment above just to, I'm gonna make sure that we got this all. So do that, another deep breath in and out. Good. Sinking in. Good. Good. Okay, you're doing good. This one's a little bit different, Danny. This time you're going to take a deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, good. From there, that's when we push. Good. Good. Another deep breath in. Out. Oh, perfect. Silent. Not good for a video. The releases are deep too. No. Okay, but this is tense here.
Okay.
I can feel the tension here now, and it's ready to get adjusted. Good. And this up here. Good. Let this relax. Is that the big pop that you were talking about?
Possibly.
That was your hip, like where your
Okay.
It would come forward just a little bit here. Let this relax here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Straighten the bottom leg. Good. Good. A little bit forward here with the shoulder. Good. All right, Danny. This is how we adjust the low back, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to follow your breath. Your shoulders are going to come up like this. I'm going to bring your hip down, and then we're going to push like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, deep breath in and out. Good. Shoulders relax, bringing this down. Good. Let the hips go. Good.
Yeah, he's the master of the side posture, bro. He's a master in that.
Relax. All right, this is how we check the neck, Danny. Go ahead and tuck your hands in underneath. Yeah, that's good right there, All right, this is how we check the neck. Good. Good. Turn your head to the right. Center. Back to center.
Sorry.
It's okay. Now to the left. Center. Okay, again, turn to the right. Center. Now to the left. Center. Okay, bring your right ear down to your shoulder.
Right ear?
Yep.
Down on my shoulder?
Yes, sir. Now ready like this. Like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but more. You can do more, right? Yeah, can you get to like there? All right, back to center. Now left ear down to your shoulder. Center. Are you left-handed too?
No.
I was gonna say,
Not
you've
at
got a
all.
lefty spine, but there's no
Oh, yeah.
way I had 2 lefty new patients in a row. No way. It had to be an anomaly. But the question is why do you have a lefty spine? What do you do? What do you musician, athlete,
I played tennis and, throughout my whole life. pretty
tennis
much.
player?
Tennis, and I'm always athletic, like to play all kinds of sports.
Mhm. What do you do now?
Now it's just gym, really.
Yeah. Child rearing. Mhm.
What's that?
Child rearing.
Child rearing, yeah.
Yeah. There might be something in your workstation too that could be part of the asymmetry, where it's just like your phone's on the left, so you're always like
Yep.
reaching with your right or
Yep.
something like of that nature.
Yep.
Where is it? Is
The
is it-
phone's on the left.
Yeah. Uh-huh. And then do you reach over with your right hand or what? Do you still have an office phone or you use a cell phone?
Office phone. So I'll use my left hand.
Okay. How many phone calls do you make a week or a day?
Not so much now, but when I was starting out, I would make. I could do close to 100 calls in a day.
That's it. 100 calls a day. It's the only way to be successful
Mhm.
in sales. All right, so the neck adjustments, just like the other adjustments, Danny, you're doing great so far. You're nice
Thank
and
you.
relaxed every single time. So
Thank
this
you.
is the same thing. Let's practice one first,
Mhm.
and then I'll adjust your spine, okay?
Mhm.
I'm going to bring your head over to like right about here.
Mhm.
And then we're gonna push in that direction like that, okay?
Mhm.
All you have to do is just let your head drop like this and completely relax. Good. We're gonna push into there. Good. You're doing good. Take a deep breath in. Let's practice it. And then as you breathe out, good. Coming like this, okay?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's try that again. Deep breath in. Good, and out. Good, loose. Let this go, let your head go, let your shoulders go. Good breathing. Now just let it out softly. Yeah, soft.
Oh.
All right, so now I'm going to check the right side first before I adjust it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I need to get in there and see where it needs to be adjusted. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This is all in the middle. Let's see, top is clear. Let this relax. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, this is all here. 3, 4. Good, let's check again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to adjust 4. Okay, so loosey-goosey here. Good, Danny. Just kind of sinking in. Good.
That was good.
That's really good. Yeah. Good, then we'll check out your Achilles. Good, let your leg relax.
Yep.
Good, let your leg relax.
Yep. Like right now, I feel a little tension.
Okay. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll get there.
Mm-hmm.
Just laying there or when I picked up your leg?
Just laying there.
Mm-hmm. Good. 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 It's your right Achilles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, I need a tool. I'll be right back. But really, the bottom of your foot is, I feel like the Achilles tendon here is very rigid. The bottom of your foot is rigid too.
Yeah, I have.
What kind was it? Was it prescribed? Was it made for your foot? Was it off the shelf, generic, regular?
Well, I bought Hoka sneakers.
Yeah, I saw those.
Supposed to be good.
Yeah, uh-huh.
They recommend that for the feet.
Here, let your head relax. I can hear
Sorry.
you. Yeah, I'm talking. This is just stranger spine. We don't need to do that.
So I did get an insert for that I got at Runner's World that's supposed to be custom to your feet, but it didn't make it kind of made my feet, the right foot worse. Didn't feel that good. It wasn't prescribed, you know.
Gotcha. Do you ever get shin splints, or have you in the past?
I had shin splints probably 10 years ago, and they went away.
Cool.
Only once.
Okay, one more knee adjustment to do there. We'll come back to that. Just the feet up here. Have you ever seen this before? This adjustment?
No.
Really? Relax. You're a very visual person. You have to see everything. Right? Mm. So your son's 3.5. Is he tearing the place apart or what?
You know, he's pretty good. He'll
he
make
chill?
a mess and then he'll clean up.
He'll clean up? What? Good. Okay, this adjustment here. This is a full spine adjustment. So your hips are locked down with the pins, and then I'm going to use this towel to support your neck, just like the other adjustments, Danny. I'm following your breath, and as you breathe out, I'm just going to pull in this direction like that, and pull like that, okay?
Yes, sir.
Did you feel it all the way down? Did you feel it
Yeah.
in your low back?
Yeah.
Did you feel it more on the right in the place, or did it just go down the center?
Go down the center.
Boom, chicka chicka, chicka chicka doom, chicka chicka, bum bum. All right, that was a good adjustment. Let that sink in. Let's take a couple steps, take a couple laps around the table. Yep. Just want to feel it out. Any discomfort, tension in your ankle or anything right now?
Nope, feels good.
Ankle feels good, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I think we got some more work to do in that low back, though. There's might be some lumbar muscles still kicking in. So let's do this. First, lay on your back.
Lay on my back.
All right. Do you feel your low back now?
Right now, no.
Okay. Lift up your right leg again and down. Do you feel your low back there?
Feels 100 times better than it did before. I don't feel it right now.
Did it perfectly. All right. Just push your elbow back. Good. Pull it back hard as you can. Good. That's good. Okay. Let that relax. Let this relax here. Good. Pull this elbow back. Good. That's good. Okay. Relax both your shoulders. Bring your chin down to your chest. I'm going to reach around and hold on to this elbow here. We're going to pull this up. Let this relax. Good. Good. We're going to come up here. Good. Shoulders relax. Good. 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 We're going to come up.
He's the man.
Did I ever crack your ears?
That's cool.
You've done it. I think I was the first one. Crack.
Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Let's see, let this relax. All right, let's do this. Now stand up. Go ahead and stand up. All right, turn to face to the left. Good. Squeeze your shoulder blades back together. Look up at the ceiling. Good. We're gonna bring this in here. Good. Let your arms relax. Good. 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 Let that come up. Let this come up. Let it relax. Good. Good. Deep breath. Out. Good. Deep breath. Good, Danny. Out. Good. Deep breath. Out. Good. Again. Deep breath. Out. Good. Again. In. Out. Good. In. All right. Good adjustment.
Good.
Yeah, you can have a seat there.
Okay.
All right, everything that I needed to go went. Everything that needed to be adjusted.
Okay.
So your pain is coming from in your low back. It's coming from a mixture of what was happening in the muscles,
Okay.
but also what was happening in your spine.
Okay.
So it's both. There's chicken or the egg. Really, is what first sprained or strained. We don't know. So it's very simple. We just adjust the spine and we let the muscles relax or we let the muscles rest.
Okay.
So I would give you at least like 2 weeks for like a total recovery time. Like if this is going to take care of it, it should be done in 2 weeks.
Okay.
So in the meantime, the only thing I need you to do is pain-free range of motion. If you feel something that hurts, back off of it. You're on rest mode. Okay, I'm going to recommend that you take some magnesium every night for the next 2 weeks to help repair the muscles that were strained. Now that the spine is adjusted, there should be a lot less tension in there and things should go in the direction that we want them to, which is you back into the gym and lifting short. This is a pretty new injury, so I wouldn't expect this to need a whole lot of stuff, a lot of care, a lot of adjustments, a lot of massage or anything like that. But I think a little bit of time, now is the starting point, now is ground zero, now it's moving in the right direction since it's been adjusted. And so this is where we start the recovery. Your Achilles has been there for a lot longer. My perception of it is maybe you have some like anatomical things that are causing it that combined with being a runner and in your 30s has just resulted in this Achilles tendon tension. No one runs forever. You know, eventually, you know, runners pick up a bicycle or they start swimming or whatever it is. There's not a whole lot of elderly runners out there. If you look at the side of the road, the people who are running are usually in their 20s. Every now and then I see someone a little bit older, grayer, running, much slower pace. Yeah, and so there's a reason for that we talked about with the concrete and things like that. But to continue running,
Yeah.
trail running is great. It's a lot softer, a lot easier on your joints and your tendons.
Okay.
And then grass running, barefoot in the grass is great for your feet structure too.
Okay.
Even barefoot walking in the grass would be good for your tendon.
Okay.
You've tried the insoles, you have the good sneakers, so those are the most important things when it comes to anything with the foot. But
Yeah.
now your ankle is adjusted, so I expect a change from this.
Okay.
This might not be everything that your ankle needs, but also too, if it's coming from anywhere else, like the hip or the knee,
Yep.
we've adjusted all those as well. So
Awesome.
everything that needs to be adjusted is adjusted.
Great.
The Achilles, I would just be patient with. Ice it when it hurts.
Mhm.
Not be too attached to running,
Mhm.
anytime soon.
Mhm.
But let's let your back heal and
Mhm.
recover, and then maybe in a couple months we'll see if that needs another look. I can look at your foot again, adjust your foot,
Okay.
and do some more spinal work.
Sounds great.
So like you don't need a million chiropractic adjustments for your spine. I mean, this is going to pretty much be all you need. But for that, I would definitely do another extremity, another half-hour extremity full spine session.
Okay.
Work some things out. Let's see if we can make some progress with that. We got to
Okay.
get back on the road.
Sounds great. Sounds great.
All right, man.
Yeah, I feel
Thanks.
good.
Yeah, good.
Great meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Very, very great meeting you. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for letting me adjust you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.